Hello there, my name is Azat Mardan. I'm the creator of Node University, and I'm really excited because I would like to offer you the opportunity of a lifetime. This is a free course, the free immersive course, in person, face-to-face course that we will be doing and teaching in January of the next year, 2018. And you have an opportunity to get into this free course 1 month, and you will be coding and you will be developing mobile applications. Free mobile application development bootcamp. Where are we hosting? We're hosting it in a beautiful, amazing Lake Tahoe. So you can ski, you can snowboard, you can enjoy the fresh air and the distraction-free zone. We have great internet, we have great house. Now we just need you. We just need you if you want to build your mobile applications just for hobby or as a side business. Maybe you have a startup idea. That's a great opportunity. If you want to change your career, if you want to become a professional mobile application developer, that's a great opportunity for you too. If you stuck in a dead-end job, if you're driving Uber, if you're waiting tables in a restaurant, hey, that's not a career. You'll be doing that in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years, until the robots and computers replace you with automation. You wouldn't get a raise. You wouldn't become a manager of Uber drivers. You'll always be driving, you always be serving tables. Things are different with mobile development. Mobile development is creative. You can build your own products. You can work for a big company and get a steady paycheck with all the benefits of 401k and job security, and maybe get a promotion and get a nice bonus. Or you can be a freelancer and you can travel the world. You can live in Mexico or Thailand or anywhere you want and work remotely and save money and make a great salary and pick only the projects which you enjoy doing. You don't have a boss. You have multiple clients and you work with them, charging a high rate for your amazing work. You might be thinking, Azat, are you crazy? Learning mobile application development in just 1 month? Maybe I am crazy, but I saw it working over and over, so I'm confident it will work for you too. I've been an instructor at Hack Reactor. I've saw people come, total newbies, and they were becoming junior software engineers, junior web developers in a short period of time. I was a skeptic before, but I saw it over and over at Hack Reactor, and I became a believer. And then personally, I taught at companies such as Macy's, Walmart Labs, Twitter, Starbucks, Intuit, VMware, and other big brands. And there I taught not total newbies. I taught programmers, but they were total newbies to React and React Native. And in a very short time, in a matter of just a few hours, they were able to build their first mobile applications. So it's a combination of great tools, great technologies such as JavaScript and React. Also, my expertise when I teach those trainings, people really understand. I've taught probably over 1,000 of people face-to-face in person and over 20,000 people online via my courses. And of course, I wrote 14 books. One of the books became the bestseller on Amazon in its category. But that's not all. You'll have a second great instructor. His name is Summer. He has great online courses on Pluralsight. Pluralsight, it's similar to Node University. It's an online school. So Summer teaches at conferences in person. He teaches online at Pluralsight. He has his own website, JS Complete. He's building a brand new platform for immersive, integrative, very engaging learning. So check that out as well. So 2 instructors, 24/7, 6 days per week, 1 day off. Okay, so you can do whatever you want, but 6 days per week, you'll be listening to lectures, you'll be doing hands-on exercises, you'll be collaborating with other developers, and you'll be having the great time of your life. It's a great adventure. It's a great learning experience. It could be a turning point in your career, in your life, in your legacy, in your future. Who knows? There are 4 weeks. Week number 1, JavaScript and React. Week number 2, React Native for iOS and Android. Week number 3, APIs and GraphQL. And week number 4, publishing apps to marketplaces, testing and building your big capstone project. We'll have 1 day off. The rest of the days, 4 hours of lectures and small exercises, and then 4 hours of working on bigger projects. You don't have to know anything about coding. Actually, if you know anything about coding, we're not going to accept you. This is for total beginners. What you will get one-on-one coaching. You will get the job interview preps. We will be doing mock interviews. We'll be helping you how to write your resume. We will be telling you the mindset of the job seeker, and also we will explain you how a hiring manager thinks. I've been hiring through the past 5 years as a manager, and I will tell you all the secrets, what I'm looking for. All the trips are included, internet are included, meals are included, housing is included, everything is free. Just you will need to buy your ticket to most likely Reno, Nevada. You can fly to Oakland, California, or Sacramento, California too, but Reno is closer, so it will be easier to get. But there is a train from Reno as well as Sacramento or San Francisco. You can fly to San Francisco as well. We'll do a few road trips. We'll do a few adventures. Probably go to casinos, or we might go to Tesla factory as well. There is a huge Tesla factory in Reno. Reno is just 1 hour from Lake Tahoe. There are lots of interesting places and coffee shops in Lake Tahoe, especially in South Lake Tahoe. So it's all on us. Summer and I were just paying our own money for everything. In exchange, we want you to be really serious, to commit, to fill a great application, in that Google form. And in the next few days, we'll be looking at it, and we will be deciding who is coming, who is not, and what to do next. Okay, so this is your chance. Tomorrow never comes. Remember, if you are serious, if you want to do it right now, don't think. The more you think, the more you will talk yourself out of it. Just do it. Just do it, and who knows what will happen, right? Just do it. Just do it. It's possible. Lots of people, hey, when a baby is born, the doctor doesn't take that baby and says, oh, it's a programmer, oh, it's a doctor, oh, it's a lawyer, right? It's total bullshit when people say, it's like, oh, you have to have a logical mind, or you have to have a certain aptitude. It's just bullshit stories that people tell themselves to be miserable and to be in those low-paying jobs so they are not experience failure. Yes, you will be experiencing a lot of failure during this bootcamp, but that failure will help you to grow you as a person, to grow you intellectually, to grow you maybe in your career as well. Hey, it's possible to get a job once you get the skill. That's another lie. That's another big scam of all those universities. So I have a degree there. I got my degree. So, but things were different 10 years ago. Now it's the traditional education. It's a total scam because all they give you just piece of paper. They don't even give you knowledge. Like, well, at least when I did my master's, they were giving me knowledge which was relevant. Now the knowledge is irrelevant. You pay lots of money. You spend 4 years. Like, why spend 4 years? Just go to a bootcamp, read a book, watch courses. You can be working all those 4 months. Okay, don't get me started on those scams. I'll create a new video for that. This is a video about the app development bootcamp. It's happening pretty soon. Hit me up if you have more questions, but my blog post has pretty much all the information which you need and then some extra. So read the blog post first. If you message me and I see from your question that you didn't read the blog post, that's a red flag. Not gonna process your application. Yeah, fill out the Google form. The more questions you answer, the more information you give, the better. It's not a typical job description. It's we want to have more information because we'll be living together in one house for 1 month, maybe even more, maybe 5 weeks, once people get to and from. So we don't want any weirdos. So we want your social profiles. We want as much information as possible because we'll be filtering you super and watching you closely. Okay, so go ahead and fill the form. Don't postpone. Do it now. I'll see you later.